press that red button to subscribe. Yes, that red button, press on to subscribe. Now, yeah, press that bell. That school bell, press on to the get our notification.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to your GMT over there. So today, guys, I'm somehow free on my channel, so I'm picking out of my project to work today. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe, like my video, share and comment. If you don't care about mockup, check my tutorials. I've done many tutorials about mockups. So let's move on. This is the Pixellab I'm using on my channel recently. So now click on the Pixellab application, cancel. So do this. Let me go to my project. So I'm picking one of my projects today. I'm taking one of my projects to work today. So I'm still looking. Let's check one of my projects to work today. Okay, I'm using this. So now let me just merge it together, then enlarge it for the mockup purpose. So don't worry. If you don't know how to create something like this, I've already made tutorial for it. Go to my YouTube channel here. So iamalexgraphics few channel. When you come here, just come to our video. So when you come here, you see, okay, here's where I teach you how to create short things. Coming, okay, I think I teach you how I create the stuff here. Let me load the volume. So sorry guys, I'm sorry, skip. So now I think you can see this. So I teach you how you create the logo here. So this is how, watch this video if you want to know how I create the logo. So watch this video. I recommended this video for you. So you want to know how I create the logo. So now let's move on. So just save your image, export image. So now let's move on. Go to your Chrome. Just all you have to type is photopea.com. After you type photopea.com, press file, open, download. Then go to your where you extract your PSD file and find it. Make sure you select the PSD file, not the image. So here's the PSD file. So all these one are PSD file. So you see PSD. So make sure you select the PSD file, not the image. So I'm using this today, logo mockup. So now let's move on. So it's now loading. It's loading. Sorry. So here is the mockup. Go to your layer, smart object, then open. So file, open and replace, download. Bring the project you just saved recently, Pixellab. So bring in, okay, you can enlarge it. So enlarge it. Let's decrease the size. Okay, it's okay right now. It's okay. So now press your lay, then layer 2. So press the delete icon here. Delete. So now go to your file, save smart objects. So you have to wait for it to save. After saving sorry, then we convert our work. So we are waiting for it. So smart object update. So now you press here. So logo, logo mockup. Can you see? Here is our mockup. Very fast and easy. So Alex logo mockup. Learn all skills. This is the meaning of the LAS. Learn all skills. PSD. So now press file, then export as PNG. So I think we don't go far today. We're about to do for today. So save your work and let's check what we have done so far. So open. So you want to know how I create this or this logo. I've already recommended this tutorial for you. Go to my channel and watch this tutorial. So that's it. Now let's move on. So this is where we stop today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like my video, share and comment. Please and please subscribe. Okay, meet next tutorial with another hot cake. Goodbye for now.